Hello guys, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. And so guys, I've been displaying my ingredients. You can see on this board I have a chocolate roll. Yes guys, chocolate roll. My cinnamon sticks. My strainer, my salt, sugar, my Nestle Carnation evaporated milk, otherwise known as the cooking milk, my vanilla, rose water, my almond extract, nutmegs whole, and also ground nutmegs. And so guys, the reason why I brought both of them is just to show that you can use either or either. As you can see, I'm a little grater there, as I will explain what will be happening in a few. And so guys, from looking at this cutting board, it's very obvious that I'm about to make some cocoa tea. Meanwhile, on the stove guys, I have a pot with some water, and now I'm about to turn the stove on, and I will leave that on a high to get water boiling. Meanwhile, on the side guys, here is my bowl with my cocoa roll or chocolate roll, salt, and 3 sticks of cinnamon. And these I will add to the water while we get this pot going. So guys, now that these 3 are in the pot, we're just gonna leave until the cocoa is boiled to mash. So now I cover my pot and I will see you in a few minutes. So guys, now that I'm back, I am checking to see what's going on, and guys, as you can see, the cocoa looks like it's already mashed to pieces. So I'm using my spoon just to make sure, and yes, obviously guys, it is. That's really a good thing. Guys, there's also another way that you can do this. Instead of having the cocoa boil out, you can grate it, but for me this way is easier and it's faster, so this is the way I choose. And so guys, we're gonna cover again and leave for a few minutes. So guys, now I'm back again, and this time is to add some stuff to the cocoa. So what I did, I went ahead, I gave my carnation can a good wash, and so I had put 2 holes in it to get that beautiful carnation milk out. And so I began to pour guys, as you can see. So guys, in this case I use only 3/4 of the amount of the carnation milk. Now I use my spoon to stir that in, as I will continue to add the other ingredients. So now I'm going to add the almond essence, and this will give flavor to your cocoa tea. Very nice flavor, but you gotta be careful of the amount you use because it will definitely spoil the taste. And I'm just using a little measuring spoon just to put a small amount. Now I reach for my spoon and I just stir all that in. Guys, if you could only smell the aroma coming from this pot. The cocos are natural cocos coming straight from Jamaica. And I just want to give credit to my mother-in-law. She is the one who took the time out to send us these beautiful cocos coming straight from the island of Jamaica. Thanks, Mommy J. So guys, at this time I will now put my nutmeg in the pot. As you can see, I'm using the ground nutmeg. It's already grated, and this is an easier way for me than to go and take the nutmeg itself and grate. So guys, I use like a half of teaspoon nutmeg, and now I will stir in my nutmeg. So guys, now I'm going to add the sugar. Guys, you have to be careful right here. If the stove is not off, do not add the sugar if you're not skilled at measurement, as you will end up putting in more sugar required. Guys, as I mentioned, if you're not so skilled at measurement, it's best to wait until the tea is completely finished boiling. So while I sweeten my tea, I reach for my testing spoon or my tasting spoon that I'll be using to taste to see what else is needed in the tea. And so right here it's a little bit fresh, so I go ahead and I add some more sugar. So guys, at this point I am going to taste again to see if it's still at the same point, or should I put more sugar, or the sugar is enough. And so guys, as you can see, the amount was perfect for the tea because I ended up pouring everything into the pot. So guys, I always make sure, so I went ahead and give it a third testing to see if it's really at where I want it, and it is. So let's cover, and then now we're about to share this tea. And guys, I have my strainer on the cup because there are particles in the tea that you will not want to drink. So you gotta make sure the strainer separates that. It's now presentation, guys. As you can see right here, we have the hot cocoa tea or hot chocolate garnished with some nutmeg. On the right side here we have a small glass of cocoa or chocolate beverage that is served cold. Guys, this is such a unique drink where you can have it either hot or cold, and us Jamaican, we love it both ways. So this cocoa tea is usually served with fried dumplings. Yes, fried dumplings. It's also a main Sunday morning breakfast tea. So guys, if you like this video, please share, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. Until then guys, I'll see you.